Standard 4 EVS 2. Lesson number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start with our EVS 2 subject, that is chapter number 14. Last chapter we have seen about Shivaji gives leave to emperor. That was chapter number 13. In that we have seen how Shivaji escaped from Agra by sitting in the sweet basket. Shivaji and Sambhaji escaped in the basket that was meant for sweet. The incident of escape from Agra took place in 1666 AD. Okay, so now we are going to see, that is, a fort is captured but the lion is dead. The 23 fort which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in hands of Mughals. Kondana was one of these 23 forts, and one day Jijamata said to Shivaji, Jijamata ने शिवाजी से कहा कि शिवा, जो कोंडाना का फोर्ट हमारे पास था अब वो मुगलों के हाथ में है. That is in the hands of enemy and that is not good. Okay, and Shivaji was just thinking on this line only. Shivaji was also unhappy for being the Kondana fort in the hands of Mughals. So he was also thinking how to get Kondana fort back and how to recapture it back. Shiva, it is not safe to leave strong fort in enemy's hand. You must recapture it. Shivaji was thinking on the same line. He was unhappy that Kondana was in Mughals' hand. Both Shivaji and Jijabai were unhappy about it, and it was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started making his plan for recapturing Kondana. Who could be entrusted with this task? To capture Kondana. It was very difficult to capture Kondana. Okay? Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. Okay? Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning, and he came from the village Umarthe near Mahad in the Konkan. He was ever ready to put his heart and soul into the work assigned to him by Shivaji Maharaj, and Tanaji was strong and well built and as clever as he was brave also, and he was passionately devoted to Shivaji. Okay, so Tanaji Malusare loved Shivaji Raje very much. हाँ, वो शिवाजी राजे के लिए अपनी जान तक दे सकते थे वो शिवाजी राजे को. Kondana's marriage first. Tanaji Malusare told, first we are going to do marriage of Kondana fort, and then I will come and attend the marriage of my son Raiba. Tanaji was busy in making preparation for son's Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house were busy with the marriage preparation, and the marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought that he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib. Accompanied by Shelar Mama, he went to Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. On receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama, Shivaji said, Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I am not going to come. Yes, I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the capture of Kondana. Understood? So these words are said by Shivaji Maharaj that, Mama, I am not going to attend the wedding. I am going to recapture the fort Kondana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this task and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is alive? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessing for its success. Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji took up a charge of campaign and left for Kandana. You can see, students, here the picture of Kondana Fort. Okay, so how this Mauras climbing on the Kondana Fort where there were no guards. Okay, so a rope was tied and these Mauras were climbing on the Kondana Fort, and Tanaji Malusare is over here. The fort was then undertake immediate control of Udaybhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Udaybhan, who was Udaybhan, students? He was a Rajput officer. Okay, and he was appointed by Mirza Raje Singh. Udaybhan was disciplined and vigilant officer. There were 2 entrances. How many entrances? 2 entrances to the fort. Both were heavily guarded with Udaybhan's men. How then to mount an assault? Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. ध्यान से देखा कि हम फोर्ट के अंदर कैसे जा सकते हैं और कहाँ से एंटर कर सकते हैं. Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. On the western side, there was a steep precipice. West side में क्या था? Precipice. What is the meaning of precipice? That is a slope, valleys. Okay, a single mistake by Mauras, it would lead to loss their life. अगर छोटी सी भी मिस्टेक किए ना तो सीधे के सीधे वो खाई में गिर सकते हैं. इतना स्टीप था वो वैली. Okay, and where there were no guards, and that is why there were no guards. Tanaji Malusare decided to enter the fort through this valley. हम इसी रास्ते से फोर्ट के अंदर आएंगे. Tanaji decided to attack from that side. He explained his plan to his younger brother. Younger brother, Suryaji Malusare. Okay, he said, you take a detachment of 500 troops and try to reach Kalyan Gate. With another 300, I shall scale this precipice and get into the fort. सूर्या जी को 500 ट्रूप के साथ में कल्याण गेट से आने के लिए कहा और खुद स्टीव प्रेसिफाइस के जरिए कोंडाना फोर्ट में जाने की योजना उन्होंने बनाई. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत अच्छा है. चलो अब हम कोंडाना फोर्ट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. सब रेडी हैं? तैयार है सब? ठीक है, चलो रस्सी पकड़ लो और चढ़ जाओ कोंडाना फोर्ट पर. ठीक है. As soon as we are there, we shall throw open the door of the Kalyan Gate. So as soon as we are there, what was the planning? जैसे ही हम स्टीप प्रेसिपाइस से हम कोंडाना के किले तक पहुंचेंगे वैसे ही हम गेट खोल देंगे. तो जैसे ही गेट खुलेगा वैसे सूर्या जी की जो सेना है वो कोंडाना फोर्ट के अंदर आ जाएगी. As soon as we are there, we shall throw open the door of the Kalyan Gate. Then you step in and join us. Together we shall destroy Mughal troop defending the fort. With the plan thus finalized, Suryaji and Tanaji went into different ways. So final हुआ plan. क्या करना है बताएंगे आप? क्या करना है? Suryaji with 500 soldiers, 500 troops, he would come through Kalyan Gate. And Tanaji Malusare with the 300 followers, he will be going to enter the Kondana fort through deep valley or precipice. Okay, so when Tanaji will enter the fort, he is going to open the gate. So on opening the gate, Suryaji will enter the fort. He will attack from Kalyan Gate. Is that clear? समझ में आया? अब आगे जाते हैं. Over the precipice and into the fort. It was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathering at the foot of the precipice. The sound of cricket could be heard all around. Cricket क्या होता है students? Cricket? Yes, ये रात के जो है ना आवाज़ करने वाले इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. फिर तो रात में जो आवाज़ आती है ना इन इंसेक्ट्स के कारण आती है. So that is a cricket. Sound of cricket could be heard all around. 5 or 6 members of Tanaji's party started to scale the precipice. It was indeed very high and steep. बहुत डरावना रात के समय चढ़ना. माय गॉड, स्नेक आ सकता है, लिजर्ड आ सकता है, कुछ भी आ सकता है. So dangerous ना. Then also see, we want to win the Kondana fort. That is why they have decided to take the difficult path. Yes, because there was no option for Tanaji Marusare. That is why he has selected this dangerous path to enter the fort. But somehow they managed to get the footholds in the rock, pulled themselves up by pushing their finger into the rock surfaces, and began the difficult and dangerous climb. Slowly but surely they reached the top. As soon as they were on the safe ground, they tied a thick rope to the strong tree and let it down the precipice. The other took hold of the rope and climbed up to the top like a monkey. समझ में आया आपको? तो किस ढंग से गए, किस ढंग से उन लोग कोंडाना फोर्ट में एंट्री किए? स्लोली रस्सी के जरिए कोंडाना फोर्ट में चढ़ गए. ओके. तानाजी's valor. By now, सूर्या जी had reached the कल्याण गेट. यहाँ पर सूर्या जी जो है वो कल्याण गेट पहुँच गए. He waited there for the door to open. दरवाज़ा खुलने का इंतज़ार सूर्या जी कर रहे थे. Okay. The battle on the fort started. Udayban heard the attack. He was a Rajput officer. He heard. Okay. The battle drum was sounded. हर जगह अनाउंसमेंट हो गई कि मराठों का आक्रमण हो चुका है. Yes. Udayban's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between the two forts in the light of dancing torch. What is the meaning of dancing torch? क्या होता है ये? नॉर्मली पहले लाइट नहीं थी तो मशाल को ही कहते हैं डांसिंग टॉर्च. तो इसी में उसको एक हाथ में लिए और एक हाथ में वो लड़ रहे थे. The Maras opened the door of Kalyan Gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udayban attacked him. Both were very brave and the battle between them was fierce. दोनों brave थे. ना तानाजी हार मानने को देख रहा है और ना उदयबान हार मानने को देख रहा है. दोनों लड़ रहे हैं brutally. Tanaji's shield was broken. और इस लड़ाई में क्या हुआ? जो शील्ड होती है ना जिसे हम ढाल कहते हैं, तानाजी की ढाल टूट गई. अब सो ही टाइड एन अपर गारमेंट, जो फेटा बोलते हैं ना, फेटा जो सिर पे लगाते, वो अपर गारमेंट को उसने क्या किया, अपने हाथ पे गोल गोल रैप किया. ओके. ही टाइड इज अपर गारमेंट अराउंड हिज डिफेंडिंग हैंड to parry Udayban's blow and continued the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. देखिए दोनों जो लड़ते रह गए, हाँ, और दोनों गिर गए लड़ के. Fort is captured but the lion is dead. With the death of Tanaji, the Maoras found themselves without a leader and began to retreat. My God, तानाजी मालुसरे अब नहीं रहे. अब क्या होगा? ओ माय गॉड. तो सोल्जर्स डर के मारे भागने लगे. सूर्या जी ने क्या किया? उसी टाइम पे रस्सी को काट दिया. ठीक है, आपके पास दो ही ऑप्शन है, या तो खाई में कूद कर मरो या लड़ते लड़ते. दो ही ऑप्शन है आपके पास. By then Surya ji and his men had arrived on the scene of battle. Surya ji was deeply grieved to know that his brother was dead. But he had no time for grief. He had to continue the fight. He cut off the rope by which Maoras climbed the fort. Then he stood in the path of retreating Maoras and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here? Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Cutting off the rope. Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the rope by which you climb up. The only one's choice before you is either you jump to your death over the precipice or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." So the Maoras returned to fight and attack the enemy. The fierce battle raged. Maoras ultimately conquered the Kondana fort, but in the process had lost their brave and lion-hearted leader, Tanaji. Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with the grief. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence. The fort is won, but the lion is dead. जीत तो गए हम, but मेरा शेर नहीं रहा. Okay, so the fort is won, but the lion is no more. So Kondana become सिंहगढ़. कोंडाना का नाम क्या रखा गया? सिंहगढ़ रखा गया. In memory of the great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. This event took place in 1670. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Umarthi and performed wedding of wives. So students, with this I am finishing the topic, chapter number 14, and we have to go with our home assignment.